I'm wrapping myself in pure luxury with the Empress Gold scarf from the Warraq Monsoon collection. This isn't just a scarf, it's a piece of art that instantly elevates my mood and my style. Inspired by the elegance of chinoiserie scrolls, the design features powerful imperial leopards and graceful plum blossoms, all delicately layered over a deep ruby base and kissed with soft champagne gold accents. Wearing it makes me feel confident and regal, as if I'm carrying a story of power and beauty with me wherever I go. Like, comment and share your favourite accessory story. And don't forget to subscribe for more styling tips, collection launches and moments of everyday elegance.